Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting stocks to buy at US based markets, but also for stocks that attract a lot of attention during the latest trading sessions or before or after hours. And this is the latter case today. We will talk about Fastly, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name FSLY. Well, Fastly, although it was growing very nicely, steady, and actually if we quickly look to the analysis from the May, it was making one positive wave, then stabilization during 2 months, and then actually going to go another fast growing track. But the news came today, and this really caused incredible plunder at the after hours for Fastly, that actually the company warned that revenue would fall short on guidance amid the Trump administration political pressure on its target customer TikTok, since TikTok did not use enough company's product as expected amid a threatened ban in the US. So this is very serious news, and of course market is really fearing this situation. Now what's happening, the price is being traded now is around 89.90. So if you look at the chart here, now let's come back to the chart, we can see that price level is actually about these levels. So you can say it's back to the previous line of which we took almost 2.5 months. So if we make the first line the growth, we call it T1 line, which started from May until July. This went really nicely with one wave and then just confirming itself, a secondary wave. Then we see the stabilization actually from the beginning of July until almost end or mid 20th of September. Here let's call it T2 line, and then seemingly we started another upwards wave from the 20th of September, T3 line. But now what happened, the price and after hours plundered to the middle channel of T2, and let's call it R1 line. So what happened actually? It's a combination of two, this overreaction. First of all, once we started the trend 3, the price already made its wave, that can boost wave, upwards wave, which started to break with this red candle and wanted just to correct towards T3 a little bit lower and then re-establish itself, also being RSI buys quite overbought. But now together with news, so this momentarily bearish situation, so this bearish momentum is now accelerated with this news and the fear, meaning that we are already at the level of R1, and this is not enough support here definitely to help. Even the second support line here we see is also wouldn't be enough. Most probably what we will have tomorrow is we will go all the way until the third level of support. It's actually this one, and this line, so if the first green line would be S1, this would be S2, and this is S3. This S3 line will be the moment where you can start buying. Actually, a combination of a moving average 200, which is this red line. By the way, we have 3 moving averages. Here it's 250 and 20, being red, blue, and green lines correspondingly. So the first buy option, the safest for this situation, would be here. Should the price goes those levels, this would be actually the entry point, because most probably the price will plunder today even further if the news are confirmed. If there is not another news, maybe with some workaround or proposals made, then okay, the price will only fall until S2 levels where you could buy. But if the news is confirmed, the severe reaction can be expected from US, then yes, the price might really go down even further on the panic. But then of course these are two big companies involved, two big businesses. So most probably some workaround will be proposed, something will be worked around, and price will of course then return definitely back. Maybe not completely, it will just show kind of preliminary return again until R1 level. So anything below middle of between S2 and S3 would be start buying, and then just S3 is buy and buy 3 times, and then actually the final super level of support, which won't even be reached tomorrow, but just to let you know, it's there, it's this one, it's S4. but we will see. It's actually news-based panic, so it's a bit hard to completely rely on technical analysis. So that's in that case, what you can do, you can take like just the first line of support, which is S3 line, as the safest, strongest technical resist to the fall down, so support by definition, and from that moment, if it goes there, you can buy. If not, it's better to wait on these news, let the dust settle down, because otherwise it will be purely casino style, so the price might be jumping really high, because tomorrow also, yeah, a panic sell could happen. Whatever could happen, it could be just news based. Also, if you look, by the way, by MACD levels, it was also quite of bearish, and the wave was breaking, so the price was anyway going to correct, but of course not to those low levels. So yeah, we still need to go down MACD to create a positive pressure to return back. All having said that, it's actually a combination of bearish momentum for correction, but also very strong bearish news. So the price can plunder today really low. Could be really a leg, very red leg. It might have even going down like entire week. So we will probably reach the dark circle, not in one trading session, but maybe in one or two by the end of the week. Before any positive news comes, any workaround comes, any proposal comes, the price will be going down with enormous volatility here, most probably. So good luck with FSLY. If any, we will only consider buying in the dark circle. If not, just let miss this opportunity. But if yes, then would be very interesting play. Having said that, good luck with it. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and to look our other videos, so you will know more about US-based stocks and new interesting buy opportunities.